Guys, I think we should keep moving.
Is that your answer to all problems? Motion?
Come on, let's get going.
Come on, boys. Let's go, boys. Faster, boys. Easy to say for a guy with 4 legs. Okay, that's it. It's time for Goose to kick a little better butt. Finally! Your old Uncle Paris is making an impression. Now what?